What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Spice. I'm back, baby. I'm back on this YouTube with another lit video, man. What's good, my people, man? Welcome to the channel, all my new supporters, all my new subscribers. Y'all know what to do, man. Y'all old subscribers, y'all tell them what go down, man. They go down over here, baby. It ain't nothing but a bunch of wheel turning over here, baby. It's all we do over here is adjust and adapt, man. Old school, new school, all the way up and back down and in between, baby. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Click that notification bell so you won't miss anything your boy ever got coming to you, so you won't have to go look for your boy, because it's always some heat. It's always some heat. And if you got any questions, comments, or opinion, man, make sure you leave it in the comment box below, baby, because I talk back. Watch this heat. Man, we're going to mess with the box CHEVY today. Y'all see what we working with? Ooh, watch this heat. I'm going to turn the camera around. It's going to be a little, watch this heat. All right, y'all. We got some more Amazon sound deadening that came in, baby. We got some more Amazon sound deadening, 80 mil. You know, 80 mil sound deadening. You know, it came in. I got my tape measure. I'm gonna measure these. Got my box cutter. I got my little small torch. I got my big torch if I need it, but hopefully I won't. I just need the small torch so I can heat this up. I need a 7-inch strip, man, to put. What we doing is we working on the box today, and we gonna sound deaden all around this roof. I want sound deaden on my roof, as well as, you know, we put it in the trunk. So with that being said, is we're gonna have sound deadening everywhere in this car, man, just to improve the quality of heat transfer, cold transfer, and sound too, all at the same time, with the music, with the sound on the road, everything. Sound deadening just helps. So we got some in the trunk bed, in the trunk liner. We got that full of sound deadening, except the trunk lid. We finna do the roof. When we get ready to do the carpet, when we put the new carpet in, we're gonna sound deaden the floorboard too. And eventually we're gonna get to the door. So we're gonna try to sound deaden this whole car, man, from front to back, slowly but surely. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the page, man. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button to the page, man. Go ahead, man. You know what it do over here, baby. We gets it in. But yeah, I'll give y'all a quick little look at how that sound deadening looks installed. It looks pretty good, man. You know, it look pretty good. So yeah, man, that's what we're gonna do today. I need to put some up here, but that's for another day, because I gotta trim. As you can see, my speaker's been hitting my trunk lid right there and right there and a little bit right there. So I'm gonna have to do a little trimming on the trunk lid to keep from completely ruining these $1,000 a piece speakers. So y'all stay tuned for that too. But we're gonna get these doors open. We're gonna get this box cutter broke out. We're finna cut some strips out. Already wiped the top of the roof down, and yeah, we're gonna get the cutting on that thing. I'm gonna give y'all a look at old half cast over here. Since we got her back running, up and running, looking good, hitting on all 8 cylinders, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, that old Cam LS Swap 93 Chevy, as we call her, half cast with the big Tiara grill, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. It's always going down around here. Oh yeah, she clean. Finna go in for a new paint job coming up next year. We're gonna match the car with it. We're gonna switch up the color scheme, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. We're gonna switch up the headlights, the tail lights. We're gonna put the bed liner in it. We're gonna put a console in it. We got them infinity capos going in the doors. You know what I'm saying? We got them infinity capos gonna go in the doors. The component set 6.5, 6x9s, and super tweeters molded in the doors. I got the door panels. Just stay tuned, baby. Just stay tuned, baby. Ooh, roofs and everything. New headliner coming and headliner board. Just stay tuned, baby. But yeah, we're gonna get to messing with that thing today. Watch the heat. Don't go nowhere, y'all. All right, y'all, it started raining on me, man. As you can see, the car wet, man. Started raining on me. But I did get 4 pieces started in there. I did get 4 pieces started in there. So, before my old lady get home, I'm finna cut some more pieces and we're finna get back at it. Watch this heat. Woohoo! All right, y'all, the rain slacked up. I came back outside. I couldn't take it. Every time I get started with a project, I always have to stop. So I'm trying to just get as much as I can done. But yeah, you see it. You see it. All the way around, baby. All the way around back. Passenger side. All I got left is that front area right there. See what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. So I got about, let's see how many pieces we got left. We got 2 pieces left to finish this whole side. So, yeah. We're gonna see how these 2 pieces look. And that's what we got. We got 2 other extra pieces that we might be able to fill in. So, that's what we got to work with. Watch this heat. And we be through in a minute, baby. Watch this heat. All right, y'all. We got all the sound in the end. Complete. Oh, yeah. Come on now. Come on now. Tell me they don't look a little better, little more better, man. Tell me they don't look a little better, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I got the key turned forward, so you might hear them amps back there whining and humming and ready to rumble. You know what I'm talking about? Big panorama. Let me stop, man. When I talk about them sunroofs, I get excited, you dig? When I talk about them sunroofs, I get excited. But yeah, man, we all the way around, man. Yes, sir. Got that sound deadening in here. So you know what's coming next. We got them stars we finna install in here. We already done the stars, man. So you make sure you tune in to that, man. We're going 550 stars in here. We're gonna do that Starlight headliner. So y'all make sure, man. I wanted to do this before I did the Starlight headliner because I wanted a little bit of protection, not only for the car, the music, heat, the cold, but for the fiber optics themselves. You know what I'm saying? I don't want nothing to go wrong. I want to try to cover every base I can with this car that I can afford to cover, and that's what we're gonna do, man. So yeah, y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about that sound deadener, man. That Amazon sound deadener, you dig? Hey man, it's your boy J Spice. I'm out of with another one, man. Oh, watch this heat. Don't go nowhere. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the page, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. It's free, man. It don't cost no money, man. It just helps with the monetization of the channel, man. And man, if you got a question, comment, or opinion, leave it in the comment box below, cause I'll talk back much as I can. Watch this heat. See y'all on the next one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that look a lot more better. Big panorama. What? Oh yeah. Details count, baby. Watch the heat.